Hey guys, welcome back to my page. My name is Lovett P. Please guys, if today is your first time, please follow this page, like and share my video. So guys, let me show you guys how I do my makeup, the easy way I apply my makeup, because everybody have their way to apply their makeup. Before any other thing, I have to use my gel to slip off my brows before I apply my lid. After that, I use a setting powder. You don't use foundation, guys. Use a setting powder to set up your brows before your lid. After that, I use my serum 24 karat gold serum to apply before my foundation. The foundation I use is Juvia's, with the foundation I bought from Nigeria. And because I love when I love full coverage very well, because I have a little dot a black spot on my face. I love to use a full coverage on my face so that that dark spot can be very close. After using the beauty blend, using a brush, I have to use a beauty blender to finish the work. The concealer, yes guys, the concealer I use is from Juvia's. Just apply it step by step. After doing that, I use a brush, a flat brush for the blend. Yeah, this is the flat brush I use. Just use it to blend off my makeup. Blend it step by step, okay guys? Okay, don't make a mistake. Make sure that you blend your concealer very well. In case you are applying your setting powder, it will be very smooth. Okay, after doing that, the beauty blender I used before, I use it to blend my cheek, just to have one shade. I don't like when my face have two shades. I don't like it. That is why any place I applied a contour or a concealer, I have to blend that very place very well. I use the setting part. The powder I use is not a foundation for the contour. Is a setting. Is a contour. Is a contour bronzer. Okay, guys, bronzer is a contour bronzer, not a foundation. Not a foundation, is a contour bronzer. That is what I use. After using that, I use a setting powder, a light setting powder, to set up under my eye. Don't apply too much. There's another thing on your makeup. If you don't want to have a lot of powder, a lot of makeup on your face, okay, you don't need to apply too much. Just take it a little, apply it under there to get that beautiful nose. I have to contour my nose very well. The brush I use is from Revolution. This orange bronze is my favorite orange bronzer. I have another color. I have wine color. I have red. I have pink. But this orange is the color I love. I love using this orange. After that, I have to do my lid. Guys, you don't need to, if you know how to do your makeup, you don't need to panic of doing your foundation before your lid. You don't need to panic for that. As for me, I like to do my foundation, my concealer, my foundation, my setting powder, everything, as you can see it on this video. I love to do them first before my lid. That is how I love it. After that, just take a little brush to blend the concealer. Don't take a big brush, take a little brush. You see it, take a little brush to blend it, and take the same brush you use for your contour to blend it up, so that you will have a one shade, not to have another shade on top of your brow. Yeah, that's it. This is the problem some makeup artists have, because they don't know what they're supposed to use on top of their brow, because they don't know what they have to use. They don't know what they're supposed to use. If you don't want to have that two shade, you have to use your contour brush, the brush you use for your contour, to blend it up. After doing that, the eye base I use, as you can see, this is not a Juvia, this is a Revolution eye base concealer. This is from Revolution. What I use on this video is Revolution and Juvia. That is my favorite product I love to use, and it's not too expensive, it's not too cost, it's affordable. That is why I love to buy this product, and they are so very very good. If you know how to do your makeup, you don't need to buy expensive makeup before you know how to do your makeup. No, it's not that expensive. It's Revolution is much cheaper than Juvia's. Juvia's is very expensive, but a lot of makeup I have is from is from the Revolution. Okay. After that, the two color I use here is so very very beautiful. Brown, light brown and a black shade. That is what the two color I smoky look I use. This is my favorite color. I love smoky look. I can use any color to create a smoky look, because it make me look so beautiful and naturally. It doesn't make my face to be too bright. It give me a one shade. That is why I love smoky look using one color. Yeah, guys, after doing that, use a big brush to blend off your your powder. Sorry guys, your powder. Don't use a small brush. The big brush you are going to be using, if you know that foundation big brush, you can use a foundation big brush, but the big one, because that big foundation brush is going to blend it. Don't not that not that flexible brush for powder. No, don't use that. It's not going to blend it very well for you. As you can see, this video is doesn't have any filter. If you want to know the real makeup artists, watch their makeup without no filter. Go to their page, watch them naturally without no filter. Not those people that already they have do their makeup, they bring it to Facebook or to YouTube with filter. No, this is my face, this is my work, my real work, no filter. Yes, everything blend. You have to use a good brush, use a good product on your face, not by using expensive products, but the one you can afford. Make sure that you do it very very well. The my I'm not specialized on the lipstick. Okay, that is what I'm still battling for. My lipstick is not yet okay. Okay, as you can see my lipstick is not yet okay for me, but it's okay. I love it. I love the color. It's okay. This highlighter I use from Juvia's. It's from Revolution. Sorry guys, from Revolution, the highlighter. This highlighter I've been using it for about 3 years now. It's so beautiful. The same thing with that bronze. You see my face. The spray I use is from Juvia's. The spray is from Juvia's. The highlighter is from Revolution. The two products I use today, one is from Revolution, the other one is from Juvia's. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. May God continue to bless.